Choosing the right project management tool can make a big difference in how productive your team becomes. Two of the most popular tools people compare are ClickUp and Asana, and both have the millions of users around the world. But when you are building your business, managing tasks, or collaborating with a team, you want a tool that fits your style, your budget, and your level of technical skill. In this video, we will break down the difference between ClickUp and Asana in a simple way so you can decide which one is better choice for your workflow and your business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description to explore ClickUp and Asana with any available free plans or trial access. By using the description links, any available benefit or special access that will be applied automatically. So you can test them with the confidence. Now let's come to the main part of the video. Let's start by talking about ClickUp. ClickUp is a very feature-rich project management platform that aims to be an all-in-one productivity hub. When you first open ClickUp, you might feel like you are looking at a powerful control center for your tasks, your projects, goals, documents, and even the team communication. Some people compare ClickUp to a Swiss Army knife because it has so many options and tools built into one platform. One of the things that stands out about ClickUp is its customization. You can create different views for your task like the list view, board view, or calendar view. And also you can use the timeline view and many more. This means you can organize your work in the way that makes the most sense to you and your team. If you like the visual boards like the Kanban, you can use that. If you prefer a calendar to see the deadline and schedule, ClickUp makes it easy to switch to that view. The flexibility makes ClickUp a favorite for teams that manage different types of projects or need the more control over how information is displayed. ClickUp also includes many additional features that go beyond simple task management. You can track goals, you can create documents and wikis, you can integrate chat and the comments, you can add time tracker, and even you can automate the repetitive tasks. For teams that want one platform to handle almost everything, ClickUp feels like a central command section and where you can manage almost every part for your workflow. Now let's talk about the Asana. Asana is also a very popular project management tool, but it focuses more on clarity and simplicity. When you open Asana, the first thing you notice is how clean and easy to understand the interface feels. Asana is designed so that teams can start using it without needing long training sessions or guides because the basic workflow is straightforward and intuitive. Asana helps create tasks, assign them to team members, and set deadlines and track progress. The way tasks are organized in Asana can be very clear and you can view them in list, board, or timeline layouts depending on what you prefer. Many teams appreciate how easy it is to jump into a project in Asana and immediately know where tasks stand and who is responsible for what. One of the strengths of Asana is that it keeps things simple and focused. While it does offer additional features like goal, milestones, and basic automation, it does not overwhelm you with too many options. For small teams or businesses that need clear task tracking without any complexity, Asana simplicity becomes a valuable advantage. Now let's talk about the team collaboration as well. Both tools allow the comment on task, notifications, file attachments, and integration with other apps like Google Drive, Slack, and more. ClickUp collaboration tools are rich and detailed, which is great if your team need many communication channels inside the platform. Asana's tools are simpler and direct, making it easier to follow the conversation without getting distracted by too many options. When deciding which one you should actually use, think about your team size and the complexity of work and your preferences for simplicity versus the depth. If your business handles many types of projects and require the advanced features, or you enjoy having many productivity tools in one place, then ClickUp might be a better choice for you, because it gives you the flexibility, customization, and a powerful suite of features that can grow with you. If you are a small team, you want clarity without complexity, and you prefer a straightforward way to manage tasks and responsibilities, then Asana can be perfect fit for you. Basically, both tools offer the free plan, so you can test them without paying. This makes it easy to try each one and see which interface feels more comfortable for you and your team before committing. So that's all for today's video. I hope you understand the difference between ClickUp and Asana. And if you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.